You know my password.
What are you stopping for? What the? Ooh.
Are you okay? You okay?
Yeah. Just a little scared because all of a sudden I'm lost. You know where that other guy went?
That away.
And streamline management.
45.
Do we have another car available to provide lights? I'm in a bad spot on this curve on 1 Bravo.
Roger, 495 is in roughly.
Okay. 485H, my cruiser just got hit. I'll advise on injuries.
So they, he said, I said, what's your cruiser best?
You want me to start, buddy?
Brother turning onto Highway 6. Almost immediately, this white Ford Escape pulls up right behind us. He was driving a little fast, but we thought nothing of it until he starts speeding and he accelerates right to the very back of my bike. You can see right here, he approaches dangerously close and I tell him to back off, and I think this triggered him because then he just passes me when I'm in the center lane. And I flip him the bird and then he tries to hit me with his car. He then slows down to a stop and opens his car door and walks out with a metal baseball bat. I dismount my bike and I put some space between him and me, and I start to reach for my firearm because I'm concerned for the safety of my family in the vehicle. He gets back in his car and drives off. I hope you guys never have to experience anything like this, but I hope that you are prepared if something ever happens by having some sort of camera recording or some means of personal protection.
Well, I have a license to travel, the right to travel.
Am I? Yeah.
Hold on. Let me call you back. Hold on. License plate KMF 082.